Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Portal. Azure. Come with an account that has reader or higher permissions. You need the right scope to view logs. Once signed in, navigate directly to the specific resource or the subscription blade and open the activity log for immediate, high-level events. If you don't see needed telemetry, make sure diagnostic settings are configured to send logs to Log Analytics, Event Hub, or storage. This step records detailed diagnostics going forward and prevents gaps in log retention. Now you move into Log Analytics and begin crafting Custo queries to extract meaningful details. You'll start with basic table queries like Azure Activity or Resource Logs, adding a time range filter for precision and limiting results for speed. Once results appear, refine them using parse to extract fields, summarize to aggregate counts, and join to correlate related tables. This helps you connect an activity to underlying resource logs. Make sure to pin a working query as a workbook or saved query for repeated troubleshooting. Finish by exporting useful query results to CSV, creating a workbook for dashboards, and configuring alerts on critical queries so your team receives notifications automatically. Make sure retention settings and diagnostic routing are set to meet your compliance and investigative needs. Change them now if retention is too short. If you can't find expected logs, first confirm your role-based access, then verify diagnostic settings and that the resource is sending to the workspace. Those 3 checks resolve most missing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.